Hi everyone, I'm back finally. I have some new folios that I'm working on for Halloween, and what they're going to be doing is once they're all done, you can buy them individually, but I'm also going to combine them into a bundle and sell them as a bundle, which will be less expensive. But anyway, I want to get started right away. So let's just do it. So this piece, this is the back, the main back. This piece goes here like this. So that needs to go on first. And these need to be joined to make a pocket. So I'm going to do that right away. We just got back from a holiday. We were gone for almost 2 months. We were down east, went to my hometown where I hadn't been for 5 years, and absolutely had a great holiday. So it's nice to be home, but it sure was nice to be away too. Okay, so I'm just gluing this together so that it makes a pocket. And then I'm going to glue this onto here. I'm not going to glue that one. I'm going to use tape on this, double-sided tape. So I'm just gonna look at that and make sure it looks okay. You need to make sure it's down low enough. And then the next piece that's going on is the pocket that goes on the bottom of the back piece, like that. And that's going on also with double-sided tape. So I'm just gonna get that on there. Perfect. And then this little belly band goes here because it's gonna hold something. So I'm gonna put that on. I guess it needs to go this way. So that looks about right.
I thought you had put it in on the washer.
All right, the next piece that goes on is this side piece. And we're going to glue the back onto the front. You could use double-sided tape for this if you want. You'll have to excuse the interruption from just a minute ago. My husband was talking in the background there. So I'm just putting a little bit of glue in the center part. And then this just goes like that. And that looks pretty good. I see I'm gonna have to chop a little tiny speck off here. That is often happens when you're doing backs on things like this, because trying to get them identical is almost impossible. So you just do that. And then I didn't bring my brush over here, so I'm gonna get it. And what you just need to do is where you cut a piece off, just add a little bit of ink. So this is now ready to go on here, and it will go like that. And, oh, I didn't put tape on that one. I think I will. Oh, there we go. Okay. And I didn't happen to have my wider tape handy on this table, so I'll just do a double layer of the thin stuff. There. So this is going to go like that. Okay. So now that piece is on. And then this one, this piece goes here. So I might as well put that in while we're at it, this pocket. Actually, I just took all those off, but I found a way to deal more easily with double-sided tape, which I'll show you on the next one. Okay, and I knew that was going to do that, so I'm just going to cut a little piece of that off. And just ink it up. There. Okay. So then the next thing to go on is this side piece. And again, you need to glue the back to the front. So we'll do that. Anyway, about this holiday that we were on, I got to stay in our fifth wheel in the yard of the house I grew up in, and got to visit lots of old friends. Okay, now, just going to trim a smidge off here. Get rid of that. And again, I'll just ink that up. And then this piece here, I can't really cut that off. Well, maybe I can. Let's try it. Yeah, I guess I just have to cut it there like that. And I see that didn't cut very well. So I'm just gonna... I am not the best cutter in the world. Okay. There. And then this piece goes on here, like this. So again, I will add some tape to this. Like I said, I'm not sure why I didn't put the tape on that, but whatever reason, it isn't there. So anyway, while we were in Gaspé, which is my hometown, it was choke cherry season, and we were able to pick some choke cherries, and I was able to make choke cherry jelly, which I love, and which I haven't had for years because I don't get them here where I live. And we also got some blueberries, and I made blueberry pudding and blueberry pie and blueberry cobbler. So that was really nice. Okay, now I'm gonna just put that there, like that. There. So now the whole thing is ready to get all the goodies. And this piece goes here, so I'll just, oh yeah, I was going to show you how I found to do these double-sided tape dealies. So if you just take the bottom piece like that, then you can, once you got that stuck down, you can just peel the side pieces off, and it just makes it so much easier than trying to line them all up at once. It just, I thought that was just really awesome. There. So now this is ready to go. Now if you want to use this as a folio, you can just cut out another piece and put it, tape it on the back. I don't use them as folios. I use them in my, junk journals. I made this little booklet, and I used cardstock for all of it, and I really should have used paper for the interior. So I'm just going to put that there, and that's done. And then, now what did I have? I think this is what I had for in this pocket. There. And then I had one of these for in here and one for in here. And I had a postcard for in both. And my witch's kitchen, I'm going to put here. So I'm going to just make that a pocket. And that's going to go, actually I want it lower. Yeah, perfect. Right about there. There. And then that, yeah, I wanted it covered, to cover this, to cover it. And then that is going to get, no, not that one, the coffee thingy, and I see that sticking up, but there's not much I can do about that. So, and that little piece is going to go in there. And we're going to put a little small tag in each of those. And we're going to put a small tag here. And, oh yeah, I have this envelope that I need. So that is going to get put together. And then I have a piece for in that. And that is going to go here. And then the Happy Halloween's gonna go here. And these little ones are gonna go in the very front. So these are gonna be really loaded up pockets. And the stamps are gonna go in here too. And then I have these two little envelopes. And they are just going to get done like that. And they're going to go here in the witch's kitchen spot. All right. There. And this piece, I haven't found a spot for. So I'm just going to stick it here. Okay. So that is it. It's done. And you can just, if you want to hold it flat, just take some string and wrap around and tie it here. And that's it. That's the first one done. I'll get to the second one as soon as I can. Have a great day.